This is an induction heater, so you take this tool, you can see how it's all smoked, right?
Yeah, you heat it up.
Yeah, you basically stick it in here, you put this coil over the top of it, it heats that thin material up, it expands, you drop the tool in, it cools, no more set screws. So you can run these things at 50, 60, 80,000 RPM. Basically, put more horsepower into the cutter, and the cutters will last longer. You get better surface finishes because of the, I'll say, the inefficiency of the clamping of that. That physically grabs the entire circumference. This slip fits in, then we stick a set screw in it. So theoretically, it's not spinning true.